It's finally starting to feel like winter out there. The big question, though, is tomorrow morning going to be messy still?
Yeah, I think we'll have some areas, especially the untreated surfaces, that you may have some black ice around. So you definitely want to be careful stepping out tomorrow morning. I always tell people, just kind of take that first step, feel with your foot. Yeah. You know what I mean? I tell people to do that, but I don't do it. So I end up on my backside. Anyway, here's what's going on outside. It's true. I took one today outside, so I was cleaning off my wife's car. Okay. Anyway, 25 degrees in Caribou, Holton at 28 degrees. Plenty cold to support snow, and that's exactly what we're starting to see out there right now. We're seeing that sleet changing to snow. Bar Harbor at 32 degrees. Midcoast, Wiscasset 33. Portland at 33. So you're just above freezing, but don't trust that too much. You just go maybe anywhere outside those numbers, and you could still see some 32-degree readings, which I'm pretty confident at. 31 degrees in Portsmouth. Here's what's going on in terms of wind. Winds are out of the northwest. We actually saw some gusts over 30 miles per hour this afternoon, and right now they're kind of diminishing a little bit, but still it's a bit breezy out there. Low pressure, just a piece of low pressure right now, is off the coast, but still seeing that backlash effect over much of the state, and I'll show you what I mean. We're still seeing some snow developing, and the temperatures at all levels are starting to become below freezing, and that's why we saw mid-level temperatures just above freezing, and that's why we saw the sleet and freezing rain. But right now everything's starting to kind of stack up right now in terms of cold temperatures, and that's why we're starting to see some snow across portions of the area. This lighter to blue, deeper blue color, that represents moderate to heavy snow, so we could see some anywhere around the Bangor area. Even out in Portland right now, up towards the mid-coast, we're still seeing a few snow showers, but they're really not as intense as this one. And this is the one I'm going to watch over the next hour or two, and that's rotating towards the south. So that's going to end up probably by Dare Isle, even by Camden over the next hour, somewhere to watch. But that could bring another ½ inch to an inch, perhaps 2 inches, with a quick burst of snow over the next couple of hours. We'll start the timestamp right now, and right now we're seeing that swath of snow, but look what ends up happening overnight. It disappears. It just dries up and everything just starts, drier air is moving in. Could have a couple of lingering flurries by tomorrow morning, but for the most part, the air starts to dry out, just left with some clouds tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures mostly in the 20s, lower 30s north, close to 40 as we get down towards the coast, but we'll have clouds and sun. So we'll be in and out of clouds and sun tomorrow afternoon, and the breeze will be light out of the northwest. And we could see a couple of stray snow showers tomorrow night. A weak system moves through the area, so that's something we'll watch as well. But temperatures tomorrow drop into the 20s, and we're still dealing with lots of clouds. Over the next couple of days, we're going to continue to see temperatures kind of rise a little as we get towards the midweek. We're not going to really see too much in the way of cold air. Again, maybe an inch or two from Waterville over to Bangor, up to Millinocket to Caribou, as you get down towards Rockland as well. So just something to watch out for, but tomorrow morning, definitely want to take it easy out there. We're going to start our Euro model on Tuesday, and as we get through Tuesday into Wednesday, Wednesday's kind of dry. We actually see temperatures pushing into the 40s, so it's going to be sort of a mild day. But look what happens on Thursday. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, another system starts coming at us from the Ohio River Valley, but look at the snow that starts to move into the area. It looks like it's going to be mostly a snow event. By 8 o'clock in the morning Friday, we have snow from the New Hampshire border right up towards the Canadian border. So something to watch out for. We're not exactly sure how much snow we'll see, but right now it does look like we should see a shovelable amount of snow. And then by Friday evening, still dealing with some snow, and then that should be out of here by the weekend. Seas 6 to 9 feet tomorrow. Winds out of the west-northwest. We do have a small craft advisory that goes through Tuesday through about 10 a.m. So something that the mariners need to keep a close eye on. Here's what I'm talking about the midweek. We do see those temperatures warming up. I mean, we're in the lower 40s by Wednesday, inland locations. We'll keep the sun and clouds in the forecast the next couple of days. So it's really not going to be too sunny. You'll need the sunglasses if you're going skiing or do anything like that. But then by Thursday night, we're watching that system moving in. That should bring some light snow by Thursday night into Friday morning. So it looks like it should be an all snow event right now. Storm track looks favorable, so that's some great news. Snowmobilers and skiers alike. And then by the weekend looks pretty cold, but it's not going to be too cold. We don't see any Arctic air in sight, but it's cold enough to snow. So that's good news for the skiers.
Sounds like winter in Maine.
Absolutely. Sounds good.
Thanks, David.
Thank you.